Hi, I will show you how to create a shortcut for you to replace it with your email so for that you never type your email again. So what you do is go here for setting and click on general, click on keyboard, text replacement. I did create one here, the AA, and I put this email, and I create another one, ZZ. I put this email. So if you want to create another one, just type anything, anything here. You just like v at yahoo.com. So I'm say QQ, for example. So you get like three emails. One is say AA, it will go for Z Learning. QQ, it will go for v at yahoo.com, and ZZ, it will go for test.yahoo.com. This is a shortcut. Let's go close everything, open the email, type here, for example, ZZ, it will pop up here. Test, if you get QQ, v Yahoo, if you type AA, it will be Z Learning. That's it. Thank you.